Hey guys, today I will show you how to run troubleshoot on Windows Server manually. So guys, let's get started. Go to settings option, click on the settings. Now click on system. Now scroll down, you will get option for troubleshoot here, as you can see here. Now click on other troubleshooters. On here you can see to fix your problem, you may need to click on the run button behind the matching troubleshooter type. So we need to follow the on-screen instruction to fix the problem. Uh, Close this tab. Now click on the search bar. Now type CMD. Okay. Now click on this run as administrator. Yes. Now click write the code which will be type here msdt.exe dot exe. Okay. exe. I will provide this code description. Slash dash id spacebar capital D device diagnostic capital D diagnostic. Now hit the enter button. Now you can see here, this will immediately launch your PC hardware and device troubleshooter. Click on next. Okay. Now you only need to follow on the instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. This will possibly fix issues with your devices and hardware. So guys, thanks for watching. This was the easiest method to troubleshoot your to launch troubleshooting your Windows. Thanks for watching.